Hello YouTubers. Today I want to talk about the Optimus windscreen. I've been using this MSR stove for a while, but when it's windy it gets to be a little bit problematic. So I decided to try out this little clip-on windscreen. It's pretty simple to use. It's got a little spring there and it can open up a little bit, and you just clips on like that. It's not a perfect solution, but it does help in light breezes to mild winds. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.